Hey friends, if you wish to underline and highlight menu shortcut keys in Windows 11, then please watch this video. So the only key that you need for it is long pressing the Alt key. Okay, just see what happens. It will start showing all the menu keys here and the shortcut keys associated with that. For example, you need the P key for this one. Wait. For navigating to this page. Okay, let me show you once again. When you press Alt, it will show you the keys associated with the shortcut keys associated with every menu option. Now, let's say that you want to go to the insert tab, just press N and it will take you to the insert tab, and now you can click on V to cover the page. So this is how it works. But that only works when you have hit the Alt button, which is short for alternate. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.